Hi everyone, it's Puff again. Let's finish off our installation of WSL of Windows. So after restart we get the following prompt. We can see that WSL is running using this command. So it's using Ubuntu, and now I can see I'm in Ubuntu instance to run the command, running as user. So ls clear, still accepted commands, help, and you can see that I didn't know exactly which command to use, but we can see now help gave us the information, and this is standard version from Linux. That means we have all the commands we can use here. So now I can go and do anything I want. So at this point I don't have anything specific to do, so I will close this using exit command and exit PowerShell. Thank you very much for watching. Bye all.